Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to check for deals or sales that are going on the Xbox Store. And sometimes you might find something on here you actually want to buy. So just on the home screen here, let's go up to Store and select this. And scroll through here. Go to the left, and right under Search, we want to go to Home. And once we open this up, you'll see there's an option just for deals right here. So we can go to Deals and select this. And we can see NBA 2K24 says saved 85%. So this could be on select versions. So this one is 80% off. This one is 85% off right here on just the base version. So it's $10.49. So that's a good deal if you've been waiting to buy this game. I think the finals are going on right now, so it'd be a good time to buy that. Then I was looking at a game. It was Red Dead Redemption 2 right here. So if you haven't played this, it's much better on the Xbox versus the PlayStation just because you get all these different upgrades that PlayStation doesn't have. So this one is on sale for 67%, ends in 5 days. So I do have some time to go ahead and buy this. Red Dead Online, I could buy that separately than the actual base game. So just go through here and see if you want to go and buy anything. Here's Grand Theft Auto for 15 bucks. One of the best selling games in the world still somehow. Fallout 4 Gotti. So we can just scroll through here and see if there's anything. Here's some sales and specials for movies down here too. Most played game deals. Minecraft. Well, I already own this, so I can't see the deal for that. Fallout 4, 10 bucks. So that would be worth it if you haven't played Fallout 4 yet. I'd say maybe 5 bucks would be a better deal for that. Here's NBA 24. Okay. What is this? Skate 3 for the Xbox 360. Battlefront 2 for 6 bucks. Skyrim for 10 bucks. Scroll through your Starfield if people are playing that still. It's on sale a little bit, maybe for 20 bucks I would buy that. Then we can go on through here and see all the games. So look at this, the Grand Theft Auto for Xbox 360 is 20 bucks. So some of these games I would think the deals would be a little bit cheaper, like Steam deals where you can buy games for like 2 or 3 bucks, but I don't see too many of those. Here's Need for Speed Rivals for 4 bucks. So I don't know what's determining the pricing for these, but you can just look through everything. So just go to the bottom to most played game deals, and then you can select the center deal too, see if there's anything in there. Let's go back to it. Deals, and it's deals unlocked, save 80%. Anything under here is Skulls and Bolts. That just came out, so that must not be doing very good if it's on sale for 50% off already. So yeah, just come through this section. You can probably find a game that you want to go ahead and buy that's on sale. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.